So we have already discussed about infinitive, that is of two types, 2 plus infinitive and bare infinitive. Now the second type of non-finite verb, that is gerund. Yes, example, walking is an exercise. He likes reading exercise. They are fond of playing cards. Smoking is a bad habit. So you see, walking, reading, playing, smoking, these underlined verbs are gerunds. Okay, and you may see everywhere this gerund or the non-finite verb that plays the role of a noun. The next type of non-finite, that is participle. Participle, that is also three types, V1 plus ing, that is present participle. For example, playing, walking, drinking, etc. Second type of participle, that is V1 plus ed or en. It means the third form of the verb, past participle. Okay, that is played, walked, drunk. Then third type, having plus V3. Having plus V3. This is also called as perfect participle. Having played, having taken. Now you can see the first line, I saw a running camel. Here describes noun and adjective. I saw a running camel. Here running camel. Running plays the role of noun. As you know, run is a verb, but here in this sentence, this underlined word running or verb, this is playing the role of a noun. In the second sentence, a tired man was sitting under the tree. Here you see a tired man. Tired, this is a verb, but here it is playing the role of adjective. Yes. Third one, having failed twice. He did not dare to take the examination. Having failed. Here also having failed is played as adjective's role. Here it means the verb plays the role of adjective in this sentence. And let's recap this once again. Three types of participle. First one is present participle. Second one is past participle. Third one is perfect participle. Perfect participle is of active form, having taken, and it is in passive form, have been taken. Have been taken. That is used in passive form, and in active form it is used as having taken. Once again you see the examples of different kind of participle. The first kind of participle, that is ing form. In the sentence these are used just like I saw a running camel. In the first example already I have discussed, I saw a running camel. That describes noun, adjective. Okay. Then second one, a tired man was sitting under the tree. Ed. This is second form of the participle is used. Third one, participle verb used as adjective of a noun. In this sentence, having failed twice, it did not dare to the examination. So here you see examples already given. I like running water, don't sit on a broken chair. These are all the examples of different kind of, or all the two kinds of participle. Here few questions I have given you for practice. You do the practice work with these questions. The first one, the principal expected that all students should pass. Second one, he expects that he will succeed. Third one, it was known that he was a great leader. Fourth, I hoped that I would win the first prize. Fifth one, Vikas studied hard that he might pass the examination. Sixth one, he says that she is very active. 7 1, I advised her that she should not disobey her husband. 8, the doctor warned the patient that he should not touch wine. The students promised that they would help us. This is 9th. 10th, you shall have to work very hard if you want to win the first prize. Okay, rewrite each of the following sentences using the infinites. So with this question you can practicing your infinitives. Okay students, with this I'm going to finish this video, and next video I will very soon present to you. Thank you.